Glock 47.
Know what
I'm saying?
promise you, this ain't nobody problem.
357. 43X. For the
House or some shit back there.
see?
Nigga, ain't no house. Chris.
You see that bit? That's probably the deer stand to feed them shit.
Tripping, man. I'm telling you, ain't no house.
That's probably the deer stand to feed
Be
them.
aware for shit though. Like,
Yeah, that's the feed them.
y'all gotta be aware of like our surroundings though too.
With my hand on the cookie. Yeah, that's that feeding shit right here. Oh yeah. Hey. Huh? Boy got deer cams. Oh. They got 45 in the west. So the blackout. Oh yeah. Blackout.
Well, you probably gotta remake that video.
Listen up. Huh?
Remake the video. Hey, listen up.
For what, nigga? That shit already gone. But we been talking about the property and shit. Man, fuck that shit. You gonna always cut that shit out. What? On the phone? Yeah. That boy about to hit first. Shit. Shit, let me get that blackout first. Fuck it. Oh. I think I picked one in here.
Oh, you better shoot that bitch.
Yeah. Make sure you let me shoot that bitch too, man. I tell you one was in the head, bitch.
Right. Man, I don't know, man. Hey, no.
Man, why y'all boys tripping? What that bitch?
Wait.
No, we shooting that bitch, boy.
That's too much for the party.
Last?
We gotta shoot that bitch last.
Yo,
man. That's say the best for last, man.
Say the best for last?
That bitch so loud, boy.
Fuck it. I'll do the 47. Man, don't dump that bitch fast.
I would be ready to go by the time you shoot that bitch.
You said don't dump it fast.
Hold on, where y'all shooting at? Hold on. Y'all got me fucked up. Houses over there, man. I'm gonna try to kill Chris, man. This ain't Chris, man.
It's a car. Man, that's a car.
I heard a roar just now.
Man, that was a car. That's that Z01. Y'all boys tripping, man. Y'all boys stop tripping. I'm shooting that way. This house that way?
Is that a lie? Yeah,
you think
shoot
that's towards the ground.
No, ain't no camera like that, bro. Man. No, boy. Don't shoot that way. Listen.
Don't shoot towards the ground.
Don't shoot that way.
Hey, y'all boys tripping.
Listen. Only thing you gotta do is shoot like, okay, you can shoot. Listen.
Tap it some, man. Glock 47.
Oh.
Yeah, stop it, bro. How the fuck that bitch jam, Bubba? Yeah, don't try that bitch again.
Yeah, stop doing that, bitch.
That boy trying to bump fire. This shit can't even do that shit.
That bitch trying to bump fire a Glock.
Who going next?
Who going next?
That's that fucking bug.
Let me shoot my feet.
You can show that bitch to the camera. Glock 57, 357 Gen 4.
Yeah, Dobby. That's definitely what it was.
Lordy. Got 43X.
Hit, I ain't lying. You look big hit.
Glock 45. Damn, dude, hit up all my meat and all, bitch. We got, look, we got Diamondback, right? 556 lower, 300 blackout top. And make sure you let me hit it too now. Hey, that bitch echoing, I ain't lying. My light
look like boy.
See how that boy aim is.
Yeah,
No more than Tyson now.
I know. bitch so snappy, dude.
Man, how the fuck you ain't hit the bottle?
Oh.
Hold on.
It's the wind.
No, I had heard a truck though. You good? Go ahead, put that.
Put
Wait,
the light
put the
on.
light.
It put that light? Fuck. Take your time, princess. I got you, daddy.
You tripped that bitch.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that bitch hit him.
What the fuck?
Actually, y'all talking about me.
Real daddy is not like that.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna take that.
Hold on. Damn, that shit sad, Bubba. Damn. Yeah, just stop that shit, boy.
What the
See if I hit this bitch, man. Don't waste audio shots trying to get that bitch. My police stand. Hey, that's some voodoo shit, boy. What the fuck? That bitch was not hit once. I ain't skimming that bitch. No. None of us hit that bitch. No, I hit that bitch once. Man, you ain't hit that bitch. Look. Yeah, I'm about to say. Man, you ain't. How you know you hit 43? How you know you hit that? We all seen the bottle thing, bro.
I saw him hit it.
I hope you been recording me.
Hey, turn light.
The phone, nigga.